Hey, bud.
How's it going, man?
What are we doing?
About to scare Meg a little.
Yeah?
Give her a nice Christmas present.
Good. Let's do it.
Let's get it done.
Hey.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, Merry Christmas. Ooh, did you get me presents?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's 2 presents, but the one in the back you gotta open first because it's the first part of the gift.
All right.
Merry Christmas.
I hate you both. I hate you both.